Let me show you the floating sensor's working principle. Now we can see 3 float switches. The water replenishment floating sensor, the desync floating sensor, the water shortage floating sensor. When the machine has enough water, all the floats will be lifted up. If the machine water level is seriously insufficient, all the floats will fall down. The machine will have a water shortage protection alarm. During the ice making process, when the water level is lower than the desync floating sensor, the float of the desync floating sensor will fall down and the machine will start desync. When the second group enters the desync process, the machine starts to replenish water automatically. And when the water level lifts up the float of the replenishment floating sensor, the replenishment is completed. If the amount of water replenished in 5 minutes fails to lift up the replenishment floating sensor float, the machine will appear water shortage protection. That's all for Cube Ice machine floating sensors working principle. Contact Koller after sales department.